Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn how to play music in Scratch. So let's start. First of all, remove this sprite and take any music sprite. Let's take drum kit. When this sprite is clicked, play sound drum bass 1. You can also keep this sound inside forever loop. We can also record our own voice. Boom boom. It will be saved as recording 1. Boom boom. Let's check that recording. Boom boom. Boom boom. Boom boom. We can also upload our own sound also. So for that, let's take radio. When the green flag is clicked, we can upload our sound from here. Here the sound is imported. Start sound. Now we will put forever loop. Change the costume of radio. Wait for a second. Again change costume. Again wait for a second. And then is with when flag clicked event. Now play.
Yeah, yeah.
Boom boom. Boom boom. Boom boom. So friends, in this way we can make our own music player. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.